In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect a custom domain to your GitHub page. It's useful if you are planning to host a static HTML with CS and GS, or even to promote an affiliate product. So you can just host the landing page within GitHub, so you don't need to pay for a hosting. It's completely free. All you will have to pay for is just a domain. So once you create your repository, you just need to go to your repository. I will use this one as I have already done that. So let's go to test 2. And I also have uploaded the file index.html, just an example. We go to settings and go to pages. And as you can see, this specific repository is using this domain, but we want to use a custom domain. So I'm gonna use this one. So once you go here, you need to go to DNS name server. We will have to point it to the GitHub A records. So what you're gonna use here is just these 4 IPs. Let's copy one by one. Point it. Oh, sorry. Before you start to add these IPs, you need to make sure that you don't have any A in order for it not to cause any issue. So let's just delete this A. We only want to point it to the GitHub pages. So add the first one. The second one. Okay, this is actually useful for those people who do affiliate marketing. You can just create a landing page and host it here. You don't need to worry about paying hosting, only domain. So once you add the 4 IPs, you need to copy your domain and paste it here. I have already done that, that's why this box is checked for me, but for you it will most likely be empty, but you just need to save it, and it's checking. One important thing is that I would say that if it's your first time doing this, you will get this kind of error. If you do get this kind of error, you will have to check if the DNS has been fully propagated. So you can check it here. I will leave the links below on the description for you to check. So as you can see, it's not really fully propagated. So usually it takes, like in my personal experience, it would take about an hour or so. But all you have to do is just point these 4 IPs, do not point any other IP. And let's check again. Okay, not yet. So I will actually just pause this video until it's fully propagated. Or not really fully propagated, but because for it to get fully propagated, it can take up to 24 hours. So we are back. So basically I can see that the DNS check successful. I can also enforce the HTTPS and it should be good to go. Yeah, but again, if it's the first time that you are doing this, once you paste, let's say that you already deleted the default A type, which will be here by default because of your hosting provider. So you just delete the default one and add the 4 IPs from GitHub, and you copy your domain, you paste it here. It will take I think 1 to 2 hours for it to be working like this, but you can keep checking it here. It's very important. Mine is not really fully propagated, but it's already working, but eventually it will be fully propagated, because I've seen some people having a hard time with this, like why my enforce HTTPS cannot be checked, or why I'm getting this error message. It's because you really need to wait for the DNS to be propagated. But this is the right way to do it. All you need to do is just add these 4 IPs, delete the default one, and paste your custom domain here, and that's it. So yeah, basically it's simple as that, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will leave all the links on the description, and that's it.